today, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to vlog, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright, this is the outfit for today. I'm probably just gonna throw on some Uggs because it is cold. Alexa, what's the weather outside?
Good morning, Highly. Right now it's 28 degrees Fahrenheit with clear sky.
I forgot to add, I feel... Oh, that's who viewed it. I woke up this morning with 8 views. Okay, I love you. Thank you. Love you. Ryan called me at 8:15. He literally just called me to make sure that I was awake for work and wish me a good day and congratulate me on my video. I love you, babe. Alright, I gotta go. Love you, bye. Look at my car. It is cold, cold. You guys, it is so cold. It's literally 28 degrees. That is freezing. I'm so glad I layered up. Just got home. I'm making some dinner. We got some ground beef. I feel kind of bad because I feel like these vlogmases aren't gonna have much, so I might combine a few of them, especially during the week when I'm working. Okay, so I hope that's okay and you guys don't mind. I'm going to try to make the viral lasagna soup today, so I'm super excited. I'm gonna leave the recipe here, or I'll leave some links down below to the actual TikToks where I saw the recipe so you guys can try it out as well. Really simple, easy recipe, and I figured like while the soup is like cooking down, I can just edit and chill. It's like a low effort type dinner that doesn't require a lot, you know what I mean? Yum, it looks so good. See, this is why Ryan's the chef and I'm not. I definitely let this cook way too long, and now it just basically turned into just regular pasta. Still really, really good, but definitely not soup. It's more like pasta. We're definitely gonna have to try this again. But for now.
Ué, o macarrão tá pronto? Tem que provar, né? Tá ruim, filha?
Tá bom. Mom approved.
Delícia! Nem ia comer mais.